In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Teachable and sell it. We'll move through a simple, reliable flow. Create your course, add your content, set your price, publish, share your link, and start selling. Let's begin by creating the course. Log into your Teachable dashboard, open Products, choose Courses, and select New Course. Enter a clear, searchable title and a concise description that explains who the course is for and the results learners can expect. Then click Create. If you've already started, just open your existing course and continue. Head to the curriculum area to check your structure so everything flows logically from intro to conclusion. Now add your content. Upload your videos, PDFs, and quizzes into the appropriate sections. Keep videos short and focused, and use consistent lesson names so students can easily follow along. If your files are large, compress them before uploading for faster playback. After each upload finishes processing, preview the lecture to confirm audio, visuals, and captions look right. Add PDFs as downloadable resources such as checklists or summaries to reinforce learning. For quizzes, keep questions aligned with your key takeaways and include clear feedback so students understand why an answer is correct. With your content in place, create your sales page. Click Edit Sales Page to open the editor, then add your course title, a short overview of what students will learn, and the benefits they'll walk away with. Write these benefits as outcomes, like what they'll be able to do or understand. Include relevant images or a course mock-up to make the page more engaging. Keep the language straightforward and scannable so visitors can quickly decide if the course is right for them. Next, set your price. Choose a simple, transparent price that reflects the depth of your content and the audience you serve. If you're unsure, start with a reasonable number and adjust later as you gather interest and feedback. Make sure the price is clearly displayed on your sales page so people know exactly how to enroll. When everything looks good, publish your course. Click Publish Course so students can enroll, and do a quick preview of your sales page and a sample lesson to ensure everything displays correctly. You can continue refining content after publishing, so don't worry about perfection on day one. Finally, promote and sell. Copy your sales page link and share it wherever your audience is, your email list, social profiles, and your website. Pair the link with a short message that highlights the top benefits and who the course is for. That's the full flow. Create your course, add your content, set your price, publish, share the link, and start selling.